Welcome back to Tech with Joseph. Today, we're taking a quick look at the Samsung Galaxy A27, a stylish mid-range smartphone built for everyday use. The Galaxy A27 features a modern design, a vibrant display, and reliable performance for browsing, streaming, gaming, and multitasking. Samsung's clean software makes navigation smooth and easy, while the capable camera system captures clear photos and videos in different lighting conditions. Battery life is another highlight, giving you enough power to stay productive and entertained throughout the day without constantly reaching for a charger. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A27 offers an excellent balance of design, performance, camera quality, and battery life, making it a great choice for anyone looking for a dependable mid-range Samsung smartphone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech reviews on Tech with Joseph.